Fine. Very good. Welcome to Maths video class. Take chapter number 15, Multiplication. Page number 169. Yes, do you know tables? Yes, हमने सीखे हैं ना tables? Yes. So, if we want to do multiplication, then we should know the tables. First of all, what is multiplication? See. मल्टीप्लीकेशन मीन्स एडिंग द सेम नंबर रिपीटेडली. जब हम कोई भी एक नंबर को रिपीटेडली प्लस करते हैं, ऐड करते हैं, तो उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? मल्टीप्लीकेशन. सी व्हाट इज दिस? चिंपांजी. काउंट द नंबर ऑफ चिंपांजी इन ईच ग्रुप. सी इन ईच ग्रुप हाउ मेनी चिंपांजीज आर देयर? 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. It means in each group 2 chimpanzees are there. Yes या no? Yes. And how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. It means 2 chimpanzees in each group and total 4 group. So 2 4s are 8. Do you know tables? Yes. 2 4s are 8. It means हमने 2 chimpanzees को कितने टाइम काउंट किया? 4 times. See, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8. Understood or not? Yes. So, how we can write? 2 4s are 8. Or we can reverse the order. We can also write 4 2s are 8. Yes or no? Yes. This is the symbol of multiplication. Okay? Yes. Look at some more example. What is there? 3 lions are there. And how many groups are there? 1, 2 and 3. So 3 times how many lions? 3. So 3 3s are 9. Yes or no? Yes. Next is rabbit. See how many rabbits are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. And how many group of rabbits are there? 1, 2 and 3. So हम 3 times किसको ऐड करेंगे? 4 को. So 3 4s are 12. See हमने 4 को 3 times ऐड किया ना? 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 4 12. Yes या no? Yes. So 3 4s are 12. See exercise 1. What is this? Cat. How many cats are there? 1 and 2. In each group how many cats are there? 2 cats. And total कितने group है? कितने टाइम है cat? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So हमें 2 को कितने टाइम्स ऐड करना है? 5 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 मतलब 5 times 2. 5 2s are 10. Understood or not? Yes. Turn the page. What is there? Butterfly. How many butterfly are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 butterflies. But how many times we have to add? 1, 2 and 3 times. It means 3 times 5. 3 5s are, speak the table, 3 5s are 15. Next, what is this? Chocolates. How many chocolates are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 chocolates. How many times? 1, 2 and 3. So 4 plus 4 plus 4. Yes or no? Yes. Equal to how many times we have to add chocolates? 3 times 4 chocolates. It means 3 4s are 12. Very good. In the same way, next, tortoise and candles. You have to complete it as homework section. Understood or not? Yes. Number D and E, you will do it as homework. Next is fill in the boxes. See, same way. How many caps are there? 2 caps. But how many times? 1, 2 and 3 times 2 cap. It means 3 twos are 6. Number B. How many caps are there? 2 cap in each group. But how many groups are there? Total how many times we are counting 2? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 times 2 caps are there? Yes. So what will come? 5 times 2 cap. 5 multiplied by 2. What is our answer? 5 twos are 10. Next one, number C. How many caps are there? 2 caps. But how many times? 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. 4 times 2 caps. So 4 multiplied by 2. 4 twos are 8. Understood or not? Yes. So in the same way, number D and E, you will do it at your home for practice. Okay? Yes. Now take next page. Next is table of 2. See, 1 time 2. अगर हम 2 को सिर्फ 1 टाइम लेते हैं तो इट मीन्स 1 twos are 2. फिर हमने ये 2 flowers को we have taken 2 times means 2 times 2. So 2 plus 2, 4. That is 2 twos are 4. Then we are taking this 2 for 3 times. See 1, 2 and 3. So how many times we will add 2? 3 times 2 plus 2 plus 2. That is 3 times 2. So 3 twos are 6. Same way. 4 twos are 8. 5 twos are 10. 6 twos are 12. 7 twos are 14. 8 twos are 16. 9 twos are 18. 10 twos are 20. And we can write in reverse order also. Yes or no? Yes, that is table of 2. See, 2 ones are 2. So 2 ones are 2. 2 टाइम अगर हम लोग 1 को काउंट करेंगे then it will be 2. Next one. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. All of you have to repeat this with me, okay? Next. 2 threes are 6. So, 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 fives are 10. 2 6 are 12. अगर हम लोग 2 को 6 टाइम प्लस करेंगे then 2 6 are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. And 2 10s are 20. 2 10s are 20. So, now you have learned table of 2. Yes or no? Yes. Now turn the page. Take next page. Same way, table of 3. See, if we are counting 3 for 1 time, so 1 threes are 3. If we are counting 3 for 2 times, 3 plus 3. So, 2 times 3, it means 2 threes are 6. Then 3 times 3. So 3 threes are 9. Then 4 times 3. So 4 threes are 12. Understood or not? Yes. So like this way you can go till 10 and then table of 3. Start repeating with me. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. Here you have to write answer, okay? 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 6 are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 8s are 24. 3 9s are 27. 3 10s are 30. Understood? Yes. So this was table of 3. Now turn the page. Take next page. Next is table of 4. Start repeating with me. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Then 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. 4 6s are 24. 4 7s are 28. 4 8s are 32. 4 9s are 36. 4 10s are 40. Okay? This everything, all the tables we have learned. Yes ya no? Yes. Now table of 5. On next page, turn the page. Now table of 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. Speak with me. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 5 6s are 30. 5 7s are 35. 5 8s are 40. 5 9s are 45. 5 10s are 50. So this was table from 1 2 to 5. In class 1 you have to learn table till 5. Okay. Now we will do exercise related to multiplication. Take next page, page 175. Yes, what is there? Observe the pictures and fill in the boxes. See, number A is done for you. How many ice creams are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. But how many times? कितनी times लिया है हमने ये ग्रुप को? 1 and 2. So 2 times 4 ice cream. 2 4s are 8. Understood? Yes. Next one. What is this? Apples. How many apples are there? 1 and 2. And how many times? Count it. See, 1 time, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It means 5 times 2 apples. 5 2s are 10. Done? Yes. Next is cap. How many caps are there? 1, 2 and 3. But how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 4 times 3 cap. 4 3s are 12. Yes ya no? Yes. In the same way, candy and butterfly you have to do it as homework. Next is match the following. What you have to do? You have to match this picture with correct answer. See, how many cars are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. But 5 cars, how many times? 3 times. 1, 2 and 3. So 5 times 3 cars. 5 3s are 15. So where same answer is given? Yes, here it is. 5 3s are 15. So match number A with this box. Understood? Yes. Now what is there? Bananas. How many bananas? 1 and 2. But how many times? 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. So 4 2s are 8. Understood? Yes. So number C to E is in homework section. Okay. Now we will continue this chapter in next class. Bye.